In this video, I want to talk about how you can create an account in Trust Wallet. Now you can use the Chrome extension or you can use your mobile device and download the app. Both work the same. Now it's really easy. Once you've gotten the extension or the app, what you want to do is you want to click on create a new wallet. Once you click on create the new wallet, you're gonna have to create a password or some other kind of verification method. And once you've done that, you should get your recovery phrase. Now this recovery phrase, if you don't see it immediately, you can find it under settings, wallets, click on the wallet, and then your phrase here. Now, this phrase you need to write down on a piece of paper, and you wanna make sure that you don't write it down digitally. Now that's basically how it works, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.